Good morning. Welcome back. English Grammar Class 5. Today we are going to learn a new chapter from English Grammar, chapter number 8, Gender. So, in English Grammar, this is the very important topic. Today we are going to learn this topic in English Grammar. There are four genders. Which are they? First one, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And fourth one, neuter gender. In English grammar, these are four important gender. Once again, first one masculine gender, second one feminine gender, third one common gender, and fourth one neuter gender. Let we understood the definition and example of each gender. First one masculine gender. See the definition. Masculine gender means nouns that name male persons or animals. It means the male person or animal names which all are included in the masculine gender. Let's see some examples. For example, brother, gentleman, lion, peacock. It means that denotes all the male persons and animals. It means brother, gentleman, lion and peacock. All these which is included in the masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. See the definition. Feminine gender means nouns that name female persons or animals. It means female persons or animals name which all are included in the feminine gender. Let's see some examples. For example, sister, lady, lioness and peahen. These all are included in the female person and animals. So, sister, lady, lioness, peahen which all are included in the feminine gender. Next one, third, common gender. See the definition of common gender. Common gender means nouns that stand for either male or female persons. It means commonly this name male and female which is commonly included in the noun, that's called the common gender. See the example. For example, child. Child means in that child word or noun there is baby girl also and baby boy is also. The child is the common gender. Next one, friends. In friend, this noun which is include the girl or boy, both of include in this word. So, friend is the common gender. Next one, doctor. In that doctor word or noun there is male and female, both are included in the doctor word. It means lady doctor also there and Gents doctor also there. So doctor is included in the common gender. Next one, parent. In parents also mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, all female and male persons include in the parent. So parent is the common gender. Next we have to reach the last gender, neuter gender. See the definition. Neuter gender means nouns that name things without life. It means noun that things which is included in without life. So see the example of neuter gender. For example, school. School is the without life noun. Next one, TV, which is included in the things. Next one, garden and table. All these are the without life, which is included in the things. That all are the neuter gender. See some important rules we have to follow for the gender. Formation of feminine of nouns. It means how we have to convert the masculine gender into the feminine gender. Let we have to understood the rules. First one, add ESS to the masculine form, sometimes changing the spelling. It means sometimes when changing the spelling, that time we have to add when we have convert the masculine gender into the feminine gender. For example, count in the feminine, countless, duck, ducat, master, mistress, that we have joined with the feminine ESS. Second one, use different words before or after the masculine or feminine form. It means we have to write the different words when we have convert the masculine gender into the feminine gender. Man servant, maid servant. He goat, she goat. Landlord, landlady. Third one, use an entirely different word. Stag, hind. Monk, nun. Bull, cow, wizard, witch. That is the difference between the masculine and feminine gender. I hope you all are understood that there are four kinds of gender. First one, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And fourth one, neuter gender. I hope do you understood this concept of gender in the grammar session. Thank you.